All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this case right here is one of the cases you can make the way you want it. So this case right here was not designed by your man Jay. This case will run you about 50 bucks. You can customize it, but check out what they did here. This is straight graffiti setup, and this is eclectic. This is very eclectic, very nice. So you get the Team Pixel logo inside, just a regular box and everything. You don't care about the box, but again, this will run you about 50 bucks. But this is a two-piece case, and this will protect your phone from minor drops and scrapes. But more importantly, let's put this part on real quick. And I will be grabbing a tempered glass for this soon. But this is the hard shell, and this is they design like this. I see a bunch going on here. Not gonna comment on this. I didn't design this case, but this is what Google sent over, and you can see the face of a person here, and you got another little design over here. You got some faces all over the place. This is eclectic, to say the least. So let's pop it on. These cases are the cases that you can design yourself, and this is what you get. So let's see here. A little dust or debris or something in there. So you get a little bit of lip protection on the front, just a little bit. So I definitely recommend that you grab a tempered glass right away. I'm hitting Amazon. Let me see. So the fingerprint reader doesn't have a lot of room, but does it work? Yes, it works perfectly fine. No problems at all. It's good to go. And the camera cutout is deeply recessed now, so you've got protection from that. And this is going to protect your phone from some scrapes and some drops. This is the design. This is the case your way, the one that you customize. So this is what they got going on here. Volume rocker and power button are rubberized, and it's a good look, man. It's going to protect your phone. There's a lot of other cases that I'll be reviewing though that I got myself, so be sure to check those out. But this is the case designed my way, not Jay Will's way. But this is the case that they so graciously sent over, and I had to showcase it for you. So again, this runs you about 50 bucks, and the design element behind this is limitless. Obviously, you can put whatever you want on here. You can put family members, and I like that there's a little indentation here for it's indented there for the Google logo. Really nice. Really nice. I like that it's kind of like a black and all the different colors and stuff in there. And this is it's different. I don't know that I would have purchased and designed a case like this, but obviously this is probably some famous artist that's getting their stuff shown off, which I could definitely respect, man. But this thing is it's clean though. I can't front on it. It's definitely different. So anyway, it's your man Jay, man. This is a nice little case setup for the Pixel 3. Remember, you go in, you select customize, and you design this any way you want to. Check that out. That is different. Very different. Art at its best. All right, the case your way. It's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.